for that feeling.
Okay, guys. Oh my god. Oops, no. Almost tripped.
Still go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, cause I don't want nobody else.
Yeah, it's Ariel.
From every feeling that I have.
Thank you.
So take me on your
Okay.
Oh my god.
Damn. This is cute. It's for real. It's for real. It's for real. For real.
when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you.
Okay, guys, so
What type of dress you even looking for?
I want my back out
Period. Okay.
because I don't want my boobs to show. I want to come like that to here. I don't want sleeves.
Okay.
I don't want a lot of beading, but I don't mind.
Do you want like a halter dip or do you want like a?
I wouldn't mind a halter.
I didn't see you in a halter.
Yeah, I could see because especially I want it to be up. I don't want like no sleeves.
But your boobs and stuff, I can see the halter.
Yeah, I don't want everything where I have to keep the business.
Oh wait, detail. It's the. That's what I was saying. These little details coming out. I like this. That's what I said she's
I have to
giving.
stop eating bread. Girl, look. I think I'm pregnant.
It's all bread.
Because you can't, because I
Bread
can't
and
put on like a
tequila.
girdle or anything if I
No, because,
because
this
of
has
the-
a
Exactly,
beautiful
so
low
I have to
waist.
stop eating. I'm gonna go on a complete.
Just limit
Fast.
your
This is
carb,
the-
No, I gotta
certain
stop.
carbs.
So
Okay,
this
stop.
needs. So now we gotta take it
Okay.
to see if you could, if you can carry it down. Just really quick.
Yeah, get into the details.
Take it a little.
Yes.
I'm gonna put your arm back in here, baby. Right? On this off of there. See how much room you have?
Get into it. It's the details.
Wow. Wow, wow.
Wow. Look how pretty your back is without that big black bra on
I
it.
know. And that's for one of my
Yeah. So like I said, it has very good potential. Oh, it's beautiful. This is, I pull up my
That's
phone
cute.
again. See now without your bra, you gotta take stuff in.
Yeah.
Back is
It's giving? Is it giving?
beyond.
Yes.
I don't even want that. I don't even want to. But I think I want something shorter. I want it to cover your butt, you know? It
I
just-
know, I like
want
that.
it to
It
be
just-
right here, not to cover your butt.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at the back.
So let's show you, baby. Try not to get my waist done. I need a picture. God. Wouldn't turn you around. Right.
Okay,
This is like what I like.
Yeah, this is easy.
So now this is.
This is what I like.
Get the details out.
I know. I think I'm gonna give you one gown. Let me get it.
hate the color, but
Yeah, it's the color. But
This is probably like
this
I'm
is
sorry, I
yours?
still like the other one.
yeah.
Yeah.
I like the other one, but
Yeah. Only thing I started to realize I don't like about the other one, it feel like the whole thing is like if you look at like everything, it like there's no like spaces of like plain, like everything is stuff.
you want plain kind of space. just in between.
Girl, I like it. This one's definitely lighter.
Yeah.
But I mean, the other one just gives, like this one give no, I mean it can give body, but it's not gonna because it's not like stuff, like, you know, little see-through here.
Yeah.
It's cute though.
Mm-hmm.
You got buttons. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Size, but I think this would be it.
So the dresses, this way you cannot judge them on the hanger because
They look different.
this does not look like this on the hanger.
Right.
Like at all.
But I know that you like your sparkle.
Oh.
You like this one?
This is sheer again. Sheer, sheer, sheer. Flowers, look how pretty. All covered. And the flowers dropped. I want you to see the back. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Step forward a little, just a little, as much as you can.
Dang. That's crazy.
Ooh.
This is now harder.
Yeah, you have a tough decision.
I love this train better than all of them.
Good. That means a lot because now let's look at it and you're just gonna fall beyond in love. So now this is the difference. This has beautiful horsehair on our sparkly liner, which none of that did. So that gives you body. And then, you know, like we're gonna see how the flowers come all the way out. Pretty, all the way down, 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 all applique. So now let's walk down, like if we're gonna walk down the aisle. So we're gonna come this way. Go that way and we're gonna go to the wood floor.
Oh, Lord.
Don't be the runaway bride. Everybody's running. They go on the floor and they run away. They didn't come with their camera yet. Right.
Exactly.
She read it.
Here she goes. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh.
Turn.
Stand up. I want to show you.
I'm not used to this kind of
I know. And then now I'm going to drop the light so you're going to see how the sparkles come forward a little. So when you come out for your, you know.
They're so different.
It shimmers. Yeah.
See, look at that glimmer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shimmers.
That's so fun.
Oh.
That's
Did
pretty.
you see all that glimmer?
That's pretty.
I know now I see. Yeah, that's a princess right
Yeah,
there.
that's pretty. The shimmer out. Girl, you got some good shimmer.
No, I'm stressed now.
Don't be stressed. You got to water it down.
I know.
You do. You're getting close.
It's nice though. I just wish this would have been it if the back was like the other one.
Gotcha.
Like this bottom is better than the first one. The other one had just
I was
stuff
telling her the
everywhere.
first one I feel like will help if you guys are doing outside wedding because the glimmers and stuff will catch our attention.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Hay uno de Galdía que te voy a mostrar.
We like more of the glitter underneath, and the two more than just the lace.
But the back of this one is just way
So what? You don't have to keep all of this. Take some of this, you know, take some of this away so you can enjoy your night, and then look how much more you see of your back.
So there's no other design of this dress without so much lace.
Don't forget this was in the $5,000 catalog. That's what all of this comes with. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Gorgeous.
But I think, look how much cuter that dress looks with, not that short, but with
Yeah.
not that much.
Yeah. I don't mind it being big. It's just, you know, there's two different kinds of bigs right now.
Mm-hmm. Well, so let's put this one back on.
Okay. Yeah, like obviously.
She coming here
Today's back. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's how it's going to look when it's fixed.
Yeah.
and then we take some of the stuff.
It's very thick. You want very slim.
Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you. You know it's true. I know that feeling.
Especially that you're wearing flats. A lot of that lace is going to come off, and then they could just put it through wherever I need it also. So,
Yeah.
yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has like nice here and stuff.
Yeah, you have room. You're not like, oh, we got to lose 10 pounds.
Well, I do want to still.
You
I
can.
don't want it when you see the side. It's
Yeah.
not like.
But it's not real, because, you know, it's just a little, because the dress has to be like this.
Photoshop.
Yeah, but no, that's the way you want to be. That's what, you know.
Yeah.
You know it.
Say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Ignore the skies and fireworks.
saying yes to the dress.
But I know you'll be alone.
City, bro.
It sounds like she's saying yes.
It's a lot. Ustedes no quieren nada. We got you, but oh,
I'm probably most likely would end up getting a reception dress.
yeah, this is simple.
Or like change at a certain point in the reception, like when it's time to party.
Hey. You say you're trying to add sage green? Sage green, white, and champagne?
Kind of like this. There's gonna be a lot of pompous. I'm not gonna have flowers. I'm gonna have pompous like feather type things on the center. Take a picture of this. Take a picture of this. 'Cause this one's gonna be nice. I don't think I want a veil.
So are you going to put a lot of sage green?
It won't be as much as this, but I do like this.
Okay.
But maybe mine would have like I like the green on it.
So what
I would want more.
So what's the groomsmen wearing and stuff like? I'm just trying to picture it.
I think they're gonna be wearing champagne suits. I think they're wearing champagne. Like y'all colors, your dress and their suit is gonna be matching exactly.
Okay.
And then they'll have like the boys will have like a hint of this like in their vest. Yeah.
That was it?
Oh, me salió.
Coño, muy bien. Quítate. Usar. That looks better to me than that.
Yeah, I think it is. I think that one's gonna be 12,000.
So take me in your arms.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
You got to do a little zoom ring and everything.
Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. 'Cause nothing can really hide us.
Oh, that's a cute one.
Beautiful! Oh my gosh, look at your body! It's amazing! Look at the curves! Yes, girl! Oh my gosh, the samples were right.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to take some money.